Good morning, guys. Um, so we have 3 weeks of school left, so we are getting very close to having to close out this semester. So this is really the last week you'll have um, a bunch of assignments. I'm going to say next week you'll probably have one, but this week you have three that are due. One of them you've had for the last 2 weeks that you could have done, which is the sunset watercolor. Um, that's the first thing you need to accomplish this week. Get that turned in because that is due on this Friday. And then let's see, and then your other two assignments are, let's look at them real quick. They're pretty simple. We have this moon that I expect you to watercolor. Now, guys, this is going to be a major grade. So I really, really, really want you guys to do your best on this. And in saying all that, if you do not have watercolors at your house, I understand that CL students, not all of you have access to that. That is fine. But I am requiring you to have to add color to this. I know that some of you in the past said I don't have that. I don't know that you need to figure out a way to get some either watercolors, some colored pencils, some crayons, markers, whatever. And if you just absolutely can't, let me know. You have to contact me and let me know because I will find a way to get you some. I have plenty here that either you can come pick up, or if I need to drop them off, I can drop them off. But as this being a major grade, it has to be color. If you do not use color on it, it is automatically 50 points off. The most you can get is a 50, and that's a major grade, so that's really going to hurt. So please, please, please make sure that you do your due diligence, and if you need to get something, even if you have to use crayons, use crayons. If you have sidewalk chalk, go out on your sidewalk and do a sidewalk chalk drawing. I'm fine with that. Okay, I just got to see some effort for a major grade. Okay, it's a pretty simple major grade. It's probably one of the easiest ones, if not the easiest one I've given all year. It's the final 6 weeks, and we have finals coming up. We just had STAR testing, so I'm trying to back off on what you have in my class because I know all your other classes you're really stressed out about finals and everything going on with that. So I'm trying to help you guys out, but I need some help in return as well, and I need effort. The other thing you have is this cartooning club. Okay, let's go back. It's gonna take just a minute because I got to scroll all the way down. So we have this drawing assignment that you pick. And so when you click on the link to you pick, it takes you to his page. I do not care which you do, okay? But if it has color and it's simple, like some of these that are a little bit more cartoony, then I expect you to add color to those. If you decide to go with something like one of these, which we've already done this one, so don't resubmit this. Say you do Kong here. If you do Kong, I expect it, it can just be in black and white. It doesn't have to obviously be color because it's a more technical drawing, so it's going to take you longer to draw it. So the choice is yours for what you're going to do there. Those are your three assignments this week. Please do your best to get all these turned in. Also, any other missing assignments you have, please get those turned in. Progress reports come out this week. And like I said last week in last video, I didn't have any new assignments due last week. But so if you're missing anything, please get that turned in. Know that this is not the end of the 6 weeks. It's not the end of the world if you're failing or if you forgot to turn some things in. But you need to get those turned in, okay? We have 3 weeks of school, and sorry, I'm tired. It's not like we're going to have a ton of time to make up work. I have you guys in class this week. I have you next week, and then and then we have finals. That's it. We're down to 3 weeks, and not even 3 weeks because we have 2 more Mondays, and 2 weeks from Thursday is y'all's last day. So this year has gone by like that, and we're almost done. So please finish strong. If there's any way I can help you, if you're trying to make up grades from the 4th 6 weeks and the 5th 6 weeks, contact me. But if you wait until the finals week, I don't know how much you're going to be able to get done, realistically. If you're trying to catch up and make up grades, you need to be working on them right now. You need to, get after it this week if you want. And if you want my help, please, my conference times are still there. If you want to meet before school, after school, through Zoom, I can do that. If you want to meet on Fridays, like I've always said, Fridays are pretty much wide open for me, but I'm doing by appointment only now because I just wasn't having anybody show up to my scheduled times. So I am completely open, like I said, any day before, after school, or anytime Friday, I will meet with you. So please, you guys do your best. Good luck with everything. It's been a crazy year, but we're almost done, so let's finish strong. I'll talk to you guys soon.